Welcome to the Kanya OT Show!
Hey guys, welcome back to the Kanya OT Show. I know it has been a minute, but I am back. I just want to thank you so much for being a follower. I will try my bestest to be a consistent poster. So today I just kind of wanted to use like household stuff, things that we could find around our apartment or our homes, because you know we've kind of been a little locked in. But I found my cool sticker book, the Ziploc bag, and some paper. And I also have some duct tape. And we were kind of going to make our own dry erase board.
So what we're going to use is our paper. You could use any old white piece of paper, kind of trim it down to where it fits in our Ziploc bag. Let's put this in here. Close it up. Pick which duct tape we want to use. This looks kind of cool. Let's use this rainbow one. And what you're going to do is put it all the way around the Ziploc bag. Kind of making like a nice border. Cut it up. Kind of want to fold it down, and then cut it off like this. And do all four corners. Some more tape. Right here, you can put your name on it. And then if you really wanted to make it decorative, you can put some stickers. I have this cool little sticker book. Let's see. Ooh, maybe I want to put some watermelon stickers on there to make it look more cool. Burgers and fries since it's the summer. Ooh, maybe some lemonade. Let's do some burgers and fries. Alright, so there you have it. You made your own dry erase board out of a Ziploc bag, a white sheet of paper, and some duct tape. Simple. Took less than 10 minutes.
So there you have it. We're all done. You could actually use this to draw funny faces. Also do math. Anything you wanted to do. This is kind of easy to take on the go. Take it in the car with you. You know, having fun doesn't always have to be expensive. Sometimes it's things that you could find right around the house. Thank you for following. There's more to come. You can follow me on Instagram at Kanya_OT, and I'll make sure to see you guys next time. Bye.